Well, welcome to the notes and solutions for day 34 of our GCSE 5 a day. And the first question that we're being asked here is about place value. And we know that where we place numbers determines the value of those numbers. This is the ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, the 10,000ths column, and the 100,000ths column, with the numbers getting 10 times bigger as we move our digits along each place. Now we start here with the number 473. So our 7 is in the tens column, so it represents 70. But what we're also asked to do, we're also asked to multiply by 10. Now, multiplying by 10 requires us to move each of these digits along a column. And if we were writing out the number, we would need to put a 0 in our ones column. So the result of our multiplication is 4,730. And so the value of the 7 here is 700. And the nuggets to go and practice on Century, please, 2.01 and 2.11. Okay, now we've got another piece of place value work here in that we're asked to find 15%. And one of our key mathematical skills is being able to find 10% of something, because 10% is 1/10. Now, 1/10 is dividing by 10. So if we have our places set out here with our ones column, our tens column, our hundreds column, our thousands column, and our 10,000s column. If we're dividing by 10, we're going to move a digit one place to the right from wherever it is. So we start here with the number 30, and we've got only one digit here, which isn't 0. So our 3 is going to move into this column here. So we know straight away that 10% of 30 is 3. Now 5% is half of 10%. So 5% of 30 is half of 3. 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. So our 15% is 3 plus 1.5, which is 4.5. Oh, we're in money, pound sign, write it properly, £4.50. And the nuggets to go and practice there with our 10% and our 5%, 7.04, 7. Really important GCSE skill to be able to execute with 100% accuracy. Now we've got more percentages here, and what we've just found in question 2, and you may want to just go and watch back at this bit of the video here if you're not quite sure about this, that 10% of 30 is 3. And so 80%, which is 8 lots of 10%, is 3 times 8, which is 24. And you'll also see on the bit of the video for question 2 that 5% is half of 3, which is 1.5. So if we're going to add these together to get 85%, 25.5. Again, it's money, so let's make sure we write it properly as money. Same nuggets really as for question 2 to practice there, 7.04 and 7.05. Question 4 is an exercise on collecting like terms. And so we're going to deal with the W's first. We've got a W and a 4W. So that's 5W. One window, 4 windows is 5 windows. Now we've got some negative numbers in here. The negative numbers tend to confuse students. And in these collecting like terms questions, the confusion is that these pluses and minuses are believed to have more influence than they do, but they don't. They just influence the next number or next term that comes in the expression. So as far as the numbers are concerned here, we have -2, -2, to which we add 10. Now, we can do addition whichever way round we want. So that actually is the same as 10 minus 2, which is 8. So in total for our expression, we have 5W plus 8. Nuggets to go and practice here are 2.05 in relation to just checking our negative number arithmetic, and 17.04 in relation to collecting like terms. Okay, question 5. When we see this here, to the nearest, that suggests to us that there's some rounding going on, but the rounding has happened. So what we're being asked was not what is a number rounded to the nearest kilogram, but we're told that the rounding has happened. What could that number have been? So I think we're just going to have a look at our number line here. 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've been told that our number is rounded to 7. 7 was the nearest. So when did it become nearest? It's obviously near, it's near 7 here, it's near 7 here. When does it stop being nearest 7? Well, it stops at the halfway point, doesn't it? Once we've crossed halfway, we're nearest 6. Once we've crossed halfway this way, we're nearest 8. So we've got this whole range here from 6.5 to 7.5, when all of these numbers round in on 7. Okay, so if we're asked to do rounding in reverse, it gives us a range of answers, and we're asked for what is the least possible. Well, the least possible is 6.5. Okay. Oh, nearly forgot my units. That's 6.5 kg. And the nugget to go and practice on century is 9.13. So that's the end of our notes and solutions for day 34. I hope you're enjoying your 5 a day. Please, if you're struggling with any question and you don't understand it having watched the video, then go and ask your teacher for help.